Well, hello there, YouTubers. This is Software Reviews 132 once again, and I bring to you a video requested by 1234 Matty Man. He requested a video on AVS Video Editor because he is considering getting it. So let's go ahead and just open it up. And I'm running a 3.4 gigahertz core, 3.4 gigahertz Pentium 4 processor with 2 threads. I think they're both running at 3.4 gigahertz. Gigabyte of RAM, Windows XP, 80 gigabyte IDE hard drive, and amazing graphics. But my specs, so you know how it'll run probably on your computer. If you have like 4 gigs, it opens up instantly. It's amazing. But so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give it a minute, and I'm gonna try to make an in-depth video on like how to do certain things and stuff like that. I'm not sure how bad it's gonna lag, considering I am making a screencast on this. So yeah. So this is this little splash screen. When you first click on the icon, it just says AVS Video Editor and such like that. It usually doesn't take too long, but yeah. So considering go ahead and pausing this and waiting until it opens up all the way. Well, here it goes. Alright, I'll go ahead and make it full screen. Alright, here we go. So, right here is going to be your saved projects. So like for instance, I'll go ahead and click on this one. This is my playing Minecraft with a friend of mine. Chilling with a friend. Oh, wait a minute. Ignore all. Oh, I deleted the videos, I forgot. But anyways, this is what it looks like when I edited it. That's really it. I went ahead and put some transitions in it. You can switch to the storyboard. You can see my transitions I used. Yeah, it says file not found because I deleted those. I forgot. So, anyways, let's just timeline. Let me go ahead and remove these so I can go ahead and show you what all you can do. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So basically, you can drop your videos right here, and they'll automatically go in. It'll say transporting or whatever, and boom, it's in. Go ahead and click on your transitions, and you have a lot of transitions. That's 5.2. You can go ahead and scroll down. You have a lot. I mean, go ahead and click on that. You can see this little anime on it. Scroll down. It's pretty cool. You can see what all of them do. Actually, I have not used nearly close to all. It's crazy. It's like and these are cool looking. So these are kind of cool. I don't think I'll ever run out of transitions games. I heard in 6.0 that the board is great. That's kind of cool. I like that. I never really looked in the middle, so I never really seen these things. So, but it's pretty awesome. You can go ahead and go to video effects. You got lots of effects. Change it to sepia, whatever. You can change it to old movie, where the video will be like that. And all that awesome stuff. Snow effect, pencil sketch. It has some awesome video effects too, so I think it's pretty cool. Like for instance, like a no smoking ad, you can do that with like a line that goes in the middle of it. It's pretty funny. Text, just your basic average things like Halloween or Merry Christmas and stuff. I'm really into the Christmassy theme. I usually use these credits right here. I never use these. I just use these. Let me go ahead and go down. Star Wars Wars credits are a little iffy. They take forever to process, and the typing gets really laggy on it. So that's why I mainly use this right here. Anyways, go ahead and scroll down and see our other things. But here, I can go ahead and show you guys how to do credits. So I can go in here. You can go like edit text. So it'll load up. This background will change to a gray color with lines going through it, and then it'll a little window will pop up. Now it takes a minute because this is a pretty good editing system. It's a little slower on my laptop, but on newer, faster laptops, it's really good. All right, here we go. There goes the background. I told you. Anyway, so if you want to animate the text, what I do is just right-click and then edit text. And I just take the cursor and just go like this every time. I just delete it this way. And I hope my radio isn't overpowering in the background. Take the cursor down here. Just hold the backspace button. And bam, bam. And like, usually I'll say thanks for watching. And then, you know, just random stuff afterwards. So yeah, let's just keep that there and change the text size. It's like, you can change it, it's like huge or like small. I like it on 28. No wait, it wasn't on 28 before, it was on I'm at 48. There we go. I like it on 48. You can bold it, or italic it, or underline it, or put lines through it. Pretty cool. So actually, I'll just keep it italic, and you can brush it alpha, like it kind of fades in and out. You can change the color, like maroon or black. You know what I color? Really bad. You can go ahead and do this little interesting thing, where you can pick like any color you want. Like let's say I'll just do that. Click OK, and it's pretty. Usually it's pretty cool. So I'll just keep it that color. Brush type, solid or gradient. See, you can kind of fades in and out, alpha out, alpha in. That's pretty cool. Or hatch. Just like that. I don't know how to explain that. Just kind of, yeah. Texture. Browse the textures. Oh wait, we don't got any textures, but I'll go ahead and turn it on hatch. Shadow. I don't want to go all the way through this. Basically, offset X makes the shadow go this way. Offset Y makes the shadow go this way, which I usually do. Blur adds a blur to it. Alpha makes the it brighter or darker. It's cool. An edge. Be honest, I'm not really sure what edge is. Distance. Alpha. I don't know what edge is, to be honest. See, I don't see anything changing. We can change it till it goes from the. I do it from the bottom to the. Pretty sure I do it from the bottom to the top. Yeah, I do. Because from like the bottom down, it's kind of awkward. But let's just go ahead and click OK. And usually it'll make your credits pretty long, so I have to button down. And for instance, look how slow this will move. That's pretty annoying, right? Oh, hold on. Go and click on duration, and you can change it. It has hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. It's kind of cool, so I'll change it to like 10 seconds. Okay? And let's try it now. See, that's a lot. So, and the Star Wars is the exact same, literally no difference. Now I'll go ahead and sample a one of these for you. I'll just go and do the high-tech one. Let's go ahead and edit this text in here, and I'll show you like what the offset X is, all that fancy jazz. Just go ahead and wait for this to load up. I'm gonna have to process this video. It's gonna be a long video, I can tell. Hold on a second. Okay. Go ahead and right-click on high tech right here. Edit text. I'll be like, oh, hold on. Edit text. Go in there. Okay, guys. Like right there. Oh wait, I spelled guys wrong. And then I'll be like in here. Edit text. Thanks. Here we go. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for watching. And then, if it doesn't fit quite in there, you can click on there and bump it down a little bit. See? And you can go in here and bump this one down a little bit. Which, see, that works a lot good. Check that out. Anyways, let's go ahead and hit this one a little bit more. You can go ahead and do shadow. Alright, the background right here, as I do the offset X, you can see how the black's moving. And offset Y, it's like a shadow. And then here, we're going to do the blur, which blurs it, or like no blur at all. I like to have a little bit of blur, adds a nice effect. Like that much, not that much blur. And then it got alpha. Look how dark or how light it is. Put on all the way alpha, it's not gonna, you can't see it. I think right about there is nice. Just adds a nice tone to it. And color, like I said, you can have different colors, which is a kind of cool feature. And you can select how it joins, like you fade in and a fade out. So like, let's say we want random, jump, and roll. So, now since we did this, we're going to go ahead and click OK. And we're going to go ahead and bump the duration down to 10 seconds. Because 10 seconds is ideal. Go ahead and play. You see how it kind of rolls in like that? Kind of cool. And watch it, it'll go ahead and roll out. And then that's going to roll out. I think it's pretty cool. Now it's time to add a transition. Now you need to switch it to storyboard and take it. I'm going to take the viewport inside and put it right there. So what we're going to do is now we're going to play it. Hold on just a second. We're going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and appear offline. Status. Go ahead and play. If you're watching all it's going to do this little ripple-y thing here in a second. Watch. Oh, we can't really see it because there's a video I forgot. Here, tell you what, I got a better one for you. Come on. Switch to storyboard. Go ahead and delete that object. Here, let's do this. See this trend. This would be a better one. See how it just kind of, that is awesome. I love that transition. Anyways, so, and then you have different, like, different awesome, whatever you want to call it. Wipe extra, like where it wipes out, or white. It's pretty cool. We got mosaic, and clock, and fade. Got all, so it's really easy. I just have it on all and just look through. I like that one real good. That was awesome. I love that one. Anyways, we got voice, and I'm pretty sure. Alright, see? This right here can record voice. It's pretty cool. So, here, let's go ahead and do this. Alright, guys, this is just test recording feature of AVS Video Editor 5.2. See how it does. Alright. It's a voice, basically. Basically, so I open my speakers. See how it does. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and crank it up. And make sure it's up. It is. Just testing the recording feature of AVS Video Editor 5.2. See how it does. And alright, see, that's pretty cool. It's a voiceover. So if in some way, shape, or form that this video did not record my audio, I could just do this while watching my video. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's a pretty good feature. The disc menu, I've never used this before. Basically, when you make a DVD, it's basically what your he's gonna have. It's kind of cool. Like you can add the different buttons and stuff. It's pretty cool. I think it's an awesome feature. We got chapters. I'm not really sure. Content, recording, but yeah, I think this is a pretty cool feature. I've never had to use it because I don't make DVDs. I just make videos with this, or some home videos, but I haven't made like that. But yeah, we got our projects menu and our capture from camera, capture from screen. This thing can actually record screen, but to be honest with you guys, it sucks. The audio and the video are so far apart, it's like funny, and it's just really pixelated. Import media files, and it just imports the files, but you can do it through Windows and just drag and drop. I find drag and dropping easier. Create a blank project, which is just completely creating one. If I can save the current project, we'll go ahead and save this one, and bam, it's saved. Okay, since it's saved now, it'll save this. And capture from camera. I'm pretty sure it kind of does it like on webcam. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. But yeah, we have our zoom in, which kind of, makes everything easier to work with if you really want to get down to detail. But honestly, I like to keep it right around there. Got our aspect ratio, which is 4:3, 16:9. I just keep it at 16:9, guys. So it's pretty standard. Volume balance, basically just balances out everything. So let's say if you wanted to have a nice, music to it, a nice soft music to it, you would go ahead and have the music like right there when your video is playing. It's pretty cool. And maybe if you wanted, you didn't want to hear the music to be too overpowering, you have maybe the music right about there and the video right about there. I'm not sure what this one is, video overlay. Yeah, I'm not really too sure what video overlay is, so then again, I don't really use that feature, but it's a good feature to have. We got snapshot, and basically full screen still. Yeah, full screen's it. So I can go ahead and watch it, fully process it, full screen. And I believe that's right about it. Zoom, we got a zoom, we got our selection, all of our fancy stuff, which is just on, it's actually on here, it's all right here. Edit, got all this aspect ratio and stuff like that, I already told you that. Volume balance, line, object, got all this awesome stuff. And you can go and click about. And it has AVS for you, copyright online, blah blah blah, all that fancy schmuck. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. And now we are going to go ahead and look at the produce feature. Now, granted, I'm not going to produce this video only because it's not worth producing. So let's go ahead and just check this out. This one, it's kind of. This menu takes a while to go, so give time. I don't know why, but this menu likes to lag a little bit. Anyways, so I just do it in file, or you can do it in disk. So I'll just go ahead and click disk and click next. You can have it in DVD, Blu-ray, or DivX. Now, I make a DVD. I would do it in, well, right here. And it makes a separate audio and video file, so it's kind of cool. But I use a file. Let's go next. Just hold on a second. Give it a little bit of time. And now you got your different formats. I always use AVI because I like AVI, and it's automatically going to make a video in 640 by 480, unless you do this. You change it manually or use one of the presets. Now the presets is pretty straightforward, has your really low quality and your really high quality. I usually just do 1280 by 720 at 25 frames per second. Kind of a bummer because the highest it can do is 30. I don't really get it, but yeah, I don't know. I just usually do it at 25 I mean. Yeah, I just keep all this the same because I don't want to mess anything up like I did one time. Then you just go next. Anyways, you can change your name here, your file destination, and choose what it does afterwards. So you can have it play a sound, or close the application, which is the video editor, or shut down the computer. I just usually have it checked in that. But and it shows you how big the file is going to be. So it's going to be 3.72 megabytes, and I have 41 gigabytes remaining, so I have plenty of space. Go back. And let's go into device. I have never clicked on this one actually, so I'm kind of curious what this is gonna say. So let's just hold on just a second. It's basically all gonna be the same. Just you know, yeah. But you can go ahead and change up everything. Wow, highest you can get is 576. Consoles. So I'm thinking, here, let's do custom. Oh yeah, 576 is the highest. But then again, these are just, you know, portable devices. I mean, not necessarily, you know, made to be playing, you know, big quality, because these are little screens, and to be honest, 360p would look great on a screen like this. 576 would look amazing. So, yeah. And then other, I'm not really sure. So it'd be like Xbox or Apple TV or PlayStation 3, I'm guessing. And since this is other, it should have it, but it doesn't. But anyways, you can go ahead and just edit yourself. Like we can do 1920 by 1280, I think. I mean 1080. And bam, it's good to go. That's what's up. But I'm not gonna do this because I don't have a video to produce. I can change the speed of the video, like how fast it goes, and the audio. Basically change up some audio features and stuff. Just go ahead and let it load up. Modify your audio, equalize, normalize, compress, or not. And you can, yeah, it's just pitch, gain, all. This is pretty good. And then you have your back button and your forward button, which is pretty cool because if you make an uh-oh or a mistake, just go and click the back button right here. Or if you want to, you know, delete to select the box, I'll go ahead and select the this box. Okay, let's go ahead and select this box and boom, gone. Or if you don't like that, just go ahead and click back. It should come right back. Boom, back. But yeah, I've been using this video editor for about a year now, and I've liked it. I've loved this video editor. It's never let me down. It's always been an amazing piece of software. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and close it out now. No, I do not want to show you when it's been modified. So let's go ahead and close it. See how long this awesome video did. 1,400. That many seconds. Ooh, this was a long video. Yeah, I like that though. I like long videos. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.